He is a diligent student. Every evening before going to bed, he usually recites the new English words, and every morning he sticks to repeat them until he could recite all the words he has learned smoothly without dropping a word. He will catch every learning opportunity that he has access to and make full use of every minute because of his strong hunger for knowledge and long-term insistence on excellence. His persistence is finally rewarded. No matter how difficult the text in class is, he always has the ability to retell every text we have learned easily. How excellent he is! We all take pride in him.